So removing the keepers, you take the magnetic side, put it on top, and then just give that a little crack with the hammer, and it'll remove the, come on, there you go, just little retainers there. Now I just take all of that and put it on the workbench. And then when you pull the spring out, I just stand it up the way it came out, so that way I put it back in the same way that it came out. Get your tool, grab the seal, pull. That's the old seal there. Just have a look to see if there's any rubber or anything left over on the old seal. And I push the new seal on just over, so it's just over the collar. Put your installer tool on and then just kind of tap it down there. You don't have to go real hard, just make sure it seats. Then replace the spring. Now it's important to note that these little clips they only go in one way. And the little ridge is to the top. So I put that on top there. And just kind of push it on with my thumb just a little bit so that the retainer clips are on either side of the valve stem. And then you'll need some paper. I have some cue card style material. And you just put it on over top of the whole valve. And then you just give it a good push down. Sometimes I don't go the first time. This is where the actual valve keeper installer tool would come in great handy. But you will get it with the paper, as you can see. It is on there. And reinstall your cover and move to the next one. Magnetic tool, pull that off. Removal tool. Give it a crack. Make sure you have a good magnet on your seated. Spring back in. Retainer and keepers assembled. Put it on the valve stem. Nicely centered there. Installer PVC pipe. Little paper over top of it. And get a good footing. And push down. And that's that. Exhaust seal is done on one side. Hope you found this helpful. Your extension in. Go to your breaker bar. Turn the engine over until you get the top dead center on the cylinder you're working on. Lock your breaker bar in place with some rope, zip tie, whatever you have kicking around, that'll work. Put your tool in. Make sure you hook up your compressed air. Center your remover tool. Crack with the hammer. See the keepers there. Spring out. You can use the side of a pick just to make sure that you don't have any seal left down in there. This one did. Air seal on. Installation tool. Push it down to the base. Taps of the hammer. Spring back on. Retainer and clips there. Come on.